Hey, welcome to the Mr. English podcast. I'm Nora, and today we're getting you a great apartment with great English.
I'm Jack. We'll keep it simple, friendly, and a little funny, because house hunting needs a smile.
You'll learn how to call about a listing, visit a place, ask smart questions, understand the lease, and ask for repairs politely.
Short lines. Copy us. Use them today. Let's go.
First, 4 magic words. Repeat after us. Hello, please, thank you, excuse me.
Again, big energy. Hello. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. Nice.
Call about a listing.
Hello. I'm calling about the apartment on River Road. Is it still available?
What is the monthly rent?
How many bedrooms is it?
Which floor is it on?
Is it furnished or unfurnished?
Your turn. I'm calling about the apartment on River Road. Is it still available? What is the monthly rent? How many bedrooms is it? Is it furnished or unfurnished?
Ask about location and transport.
What is the exact address?
Is there a bus or train nearby?
How long to the city center?
Is the neighborhood quiet at night?
Your turn. What is the exact address? Is there a bus or train nearby? Is the neighborhood quiet at night?
Schedule a viewing.
Could we schedule a viewing?
I'm free on Saturday at 11 a.m.
Great. See you then.
Thank you.
Your turn. Could we schedule a viewing? I'm free on Saturday at 11 a.m. Thank you.
Arrive at the building.
Hi, I'm Nora. Nice to meet you.
I'm Jack, the agent. Welcome.
Thank you for showing the apartment.
My pleasure. Let's take a look.
Your turn. Nice to meet you. Thank you for showing the apartment.
In the living room, simple questions, smart choice.
How big is the apartment?
What's the square footage?
Is there good natural light?
Which direction do the windows face?
Is it noisy during the day or night?
Your turn. How big is the apartment? Is there good natural light? Is it noisy at night?
Kitchen talk.
Are the appliances included?
Does the stove work on gas or electric?
Is there a dishwasher?
Is there space for a microwave?
Your turn. Are the appliances included gas or electric? Is there a dishwasher?
Laundry and storage.
Is there a washing machine in the unit?
Is there a shared laundry room in the building?
Is there a storage closet or basement storage?
Your turn. Is there a washing machine in the unit? Is there a storage closet?
Heating, cooling, water pressure.
What type of heating is there?
Does the AC work well in summer?
How is the water pressure in the shower?
Could I test the taps for a second?
Your turn. What type of heating is there? How is the water pressure?
Safety.
Is there a smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector?
Are there security cameras or a buzzer?
How many keys will I receive?
Your turn. Is there a smoke detector? Are there security cameras? How many keys?
Parking and bikes.
Is parking included?
Is parking included?
Is there a parking rack?
Is parking included? Is a parking fee? Is there a bike rack?
Pets and kids.
Are pets allowed?
Is there an extra pet deposit?
Is the building family friendly?
Your turn. Are pets allowed? Is there an extra pet deposit?
Lease terms. Easy English.
What is the lease length?
Is it month to month or 12 months?
How much is the security deposit?
Are any utilities included?
Which utilities are not included?
What is the move-in date?
Your turn. What is the lease length? How much is the security deposit? Are any utilities
Application.
included? What
What
documents
documents
do
do
you
you
need?
need?
Do you need ID and payslips?
Do you need references from a previous landlord?
Is there an application fee?
How long does approval take?
Your turn. What documents do you need? Do you need references? Is there an application fee? How long does approval take?
Polite negotiation.
Is the rent negotiable?
Could you include water in the rent?
Could you replace the old stove before move-in?
Could we repaint this wall?
Your turn. Is the rent negotiable? Could you include water? Could you replace the old stove? Could we repaint this wall?
Express your opinion. Keep it friendly.
I like the light in the living room.
The bedroom feels a bit small.
The kitchen looks new.
I'm not sure about the carpet.
Your turn. I like the light. The bedroom feels a bit small. I'm not sure about the carpet.
Mini role play. Full viewing.
Hi, I'm Nora. Thank you for showing me the apartment.
Welcome, Nora. This is a one-bedroom on the 3rd floor.
What is the monthly rent and which utilities are included?
The rent is $1,200. Water and trash are included. Electric and internet are not.
Is there a washing machine in the unit?
There's a shared laundry room on the 1st floor.
How is the water pressure?
Good. You can test the tap.
Nice. What is the lease length and how much is the deposit?
12 months, 1 month deposit.
Is the move-in date flexible?
Yes, from the 1st of next month.
Thank you. I like the light here. I'd like to apply.
Great. I'll email you the application.
Repeat Nora's lines. What is the monthly rent and which utilities are included? Is there a washing machine? How is the water pressure? What is the lease length and how much is the deposit? Is the move-in date flexible? I'd like to apply. Application and signing.
I'd like to apply for the apartment.
Can I take the lease home and read it?
Where do I sign?
When can I pay the deposit?
Could you send me a copy of the signed lease?
Your turn. I'd like to apply. Can I take the lease home and read it? Where do I sign? When can I pay the deposit?
Moving in. Keys and utilities.
When can I pick up the keys?
How do I set up electricity and internet?
Do you recommend a provider?
Do I need a parking permit?
Your turn. When can I pick up the keys? How do I set up electricity and internet? Do I need a parking permit?
Paying rent.
When is rent due each month?
How do I pay? Bank transfer or app?
Can I set up auto pay?
Do you send email receipts?
Your turn. When is rent due? How do I pay? Can I set up auto pay? Do you send email receipts?
Repairs and maintenance. Polite and clear.
Hello, this is Nora in apartment 3B. The kitchen sink is leaking.
Thank you for telling me. I'll send a plumber today.
Could you let me know the time?
Between 2 and 4 p.m.
Thank you for your help.
Your turn. The kitchen sink is leaking. I'll send a plumber. Could you let me know the time? Thank you for your help.
More repair lines.
The heater isn't working.
The AC makes a loud noise.
The window doesn't close properly.
The light in the hallway is out.
Could someone fix it this week?
Your turn. The heater isn't working. The window doesn't close properly. Could someone fix it this week?
Polite reminders.
Hi, just checking on the repair request for the heater.
Thanks for the update. I appreciate it.
Your turn. Just checking on the repair request. I appreciate it.
If something is urgent,
This is urgent. There's water on the floor.
we'll send someone immediately.
Thank you. Your turn. This is urgent. There's water on the floor. We'll send someone immediately. Ending the lease.
What is the notice period to move out?
How do I give notice? Email or form?
When will I get my deposit back?
Your turn. What is the notice period? How do I give notice? When will I get my deposit back?
Quick quiz. Which line is about money? A. How big is the apartment? B. How much is the deposit? Answer B.
Which line is a repair request? A. Short on the sides. B. The kitchen sink is leaking. Answer B.
Which line is about utilities? A. Is parking included? B. Which utilities are included? Answer B.
Speed practice. Copy fast but clear.
Is it still available?
What is the monthly rent?
Could we schedule a viewing?
Is there good natural light?
Are any utilities included?
Is the rent negotiable?
I'd like to apply.
When can I pick up the keys?
The heater isn't working.
When will I get my deposit back?
Final advice, keep sentences short add one detail, and smile. It helps every conversation.
Practice challenge. Write 3 lines you'll use. 1 viewing question, 1 lease question, 1 repair request.
Paste them in the comments. We'll reply with a tip.
Subscribe for more simple English with real conversations.
And good luck with your dream apartment. If it has a giant kitchen, invite us for dinner.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye for now.